everyone, welcome back to Story for You. Today I will share info about how to setting keyword on YouTube channel. And maybe you will asking why we must setting keyword on YouTube channel. Because if we setting keyword on YouTube channel, audience can find your YouTube channel easily. So the keyword must be setting is title and name of channel. So first we open Google Chrome and then we open YouTube application. We open setting on YouTube application and we open setting desktop. And then we click our YouTube logo channel and then we click YouTube Creator Studio. After we click YouTube Creator Studio, now we are in dashboard YouTube channel. Click setting on the left corner. And then click channel. You can see I'm already setting keyword, but I will resetting for your example, okay? This setting the country is Indonesia, but you can change in Australia or USA. The name of YouTube channel is Queen Sherin, but you can change your YouTube channel in this keyword. If your YouTube channel name is Queen Sherin, you must input keyword same with your YouTube channel name. And we can input about our content is all about vlog or sport or entertainment. If already input, you can click save. And finish, we already setting keyword on YouTube channel. If we don't setting keyword on YouTube channel, the audience will be difficult to search our YouTube channel. And finish, that's all. And don't forget for subscribe, comment and like Story for You. See you and bye bye.